A customer sent in their oven controller board for a Frigidaire unit, which is experiencing a F1 code. So today we're going to show you exactly how we fix that. I've already taken the unit apart and we're about to plug it in. We get a very loud beep and our F1 error code keeps flashing on screen. No matter what I do, no matter what button I press, just F1 code all around. Now, most commonly, the F1 error code is caused by this IC chip at ID location U2, and it has software that can fail. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and replace that. Now, the chip itself, when we purchase these, it is not programmed, so we do have to program our own software to it. So I'm going to start by desoldering the chip using the desolder braid. And the IC wiggles out. We're going to go ahead and put our replacement in. Now, this replacement IC has already been pre-programmed, so it's ready to go. We're going to go ahead and solder that back in. Let's give that a quick clean. And everything looks pretty good there. I don't see a bridge. So we're all set to live test. All right, we're gonna plug it in. And look at that. We no longer have our F1 error code. Let's go ahead and check out a couple of our functions, make sure everything works. We're going to do bake. We just got to click. We are in continuity mode, so when we have a short, we get a beep. Let's see. Our baking element is now connecting to the L1 incoming power. So if we cancel, we get another click, and we no longer have continuity. All right. We're going to do the same with the broil feature. So we have no continuity. We'll wait for the relay to click. Relay just clicked, and now we have continuity. So baking, broiler works. I think we're all set. I don't think we really need to test much more because we just had that F1 error code, which is now resolved. Let's go ahead and disconnect it, put the unit back together, and send it back to the customer. If you have an oven controller board that you would like to send in for us to fix, we'll have links to our flat rate repair services in the video description down below. All of our repairs do come with a 1-year warranty. If you found the video helpful or useful, make sure to leave us a like, subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching.